Good day, guys. My name is Solani Baloyi of Solani on Wealth. Solani on Wealth is my consumer education channel that is running on YouTube. If you would like to know just the fundamental of a few of the financial aspects, you can hurry over there. So today I would like to speak to young financial services sector professionals that have registered for the RE5 exam, that have registered for the RE1 exam, and because I have previously posted something on LinkedIn about passing the RE1 exam on my first try with only 2 weeks to prepare, and a lot of the guys wanted to know, how did you do it? What materials did you use? What is your exam taking technique? We are not all trained in taking multiple choice questions. What knowledge level should we have, and what application level should we have? Do you have mock exams? And so today I've decided to do a free webinar for all of those wanting to write the regulatory exams, the RE5, which is for representatives, and the RE1, which is for FSPs and key individuals in all category FSPs. So I would like to suggest that in preparation for this webinar that we are going to hold, you at least have 2 weeks of study time, and you have a good grasp and understanding of the material, or you have attempted the exam before, because we are only going to work on application, and we're going to really work on application of the knowledge, so that you can be able to pick or select the correct answer, and only the correct answer. So let me give you an example of what we are going to be doing. So for instance, you get a question that says the authority or the commissioner, they use them interchangeably. The authority has debarred one of the representatives of an FSP. The FSP is expected to do the following. And then it says choose the correct answer. So you will always have 4 options, which are A, B, C, and D. The first part of the answers will be the same. It will say the FSP is expected to amend its register within. And then from that point on, within, all the answers will be different. So option A will say within 5 days of debarment. Option B, within 15 days of debarment. Option C says within 5 days of notification of debarment. Option D says within 15 days of notification of debarment. So with this particular question, what you should already be aware of is that there are 4 answers, and you are expected to select only the correct answer. The correct answer will be 1 answer from option A, B, C, and D, because some questions might require you to select and identify a few of the right ones, and so the structure of the question would therefore be different. So when we're looking at the question itself, the key to answering this question is in the question itself. It says this debarment was initiated by the authority. So 5 days of debarment, 15 days of debarment, 5 days of notification of debarment, 15 days of notification of debarment. Already you know that it will be the options that talk about the notification of debarment. Because if the authority is initiating it, the authority will notify the FSP of the debarment. Then the FSP is then expected to amend the rep register. So the 2 answers at the bottom already look right. But what if I crammed that 5 days is the period, is the right period, right? So your knowledge should tell you that we are looking only at 5 days. So then it's 5 days within notification of the debarment. But you might make a mistake if you didn't look at the question nicely, because out of the question you must know that if the authority initiated the debarment, then it is within notification of the debarment. You would have no knowledge of the exact dates until the notification itself has been issued, and therefore you are only expected to take action as the FSP after that date of notification. So we want to train you to be able to pick the correct answer and to work through all of this in the fastest possible time. This question might sound a little bit like it's a KI question, but there are many several other questions that we are going to work on, just for you to understand the technique, that the knowledge that it's 5 days would not be enough. You would have to understand what is required of you outside of the question. So to register for the webinar, please just pop me an email and I will email you back with the logistics of that webinar. My email address is solani_b@yahoo.com. Solani_bravo_baloyi for those who know me. Solani_b@yahoo.com. And then I will email you back with the logistics of where to register for the free webinar. I look forward to seeing you there. Obviously you should have been read up by this time. I hope you stay motivated to stay the course. See you then. Bye.